Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Realme X2 device after using for longer time and what are the features what I like in this device, and same kind of features are available in the other Realme phones as well, friends. And in this video, you'll get clear clarity about the Realme phones, why I'm very much interested in only in the Realme phones, and what are the Redmi phones are missing, what kind of features the Realme phones are having which are not present in the Redmi phones. In this video, you'll get in clear clarity about the device, friends. And do check the links in description also for the playlist of Realme X2 and the Poco X2 device and any other smartphone which I reviewed in my channel. So right now you can see here, friends, I have used the Realme X2 device for a couple of weeks, and the first interesting feature which I liked in this device is that dual Wi-Fi connection. So which I already did a plenty of videos on the dual Wi-Fi usage and how it perform, or what is the download and upload speed and everything. I did a separate video on that, and this is one of the kind which is present in the Realme X2 device, friends. This is very much helpful and useful as well. And before, they used to be present in the Realme X2 Pro device, but I did not expect this to be present in the Realme X2 device, friends. So this is one feature which I like. As you can see here, the following applications are supported with the dual Wi-Fi setup. These are the applications which are supported, and definitely, friends, once you start downloading the applications from the Play Store, you can see number of apps increasing in the supported category dual Wi-Fi setup. So sometimes it works, sometimes it says just fail to connect to a secondary Wi-Fi network, but still you need to keep on trying speed up now. So definitely it will connect to the two Wi-Fi network, friends. That is a good option in the Realme X2 device. So this is a best feature, one of the top reason why Realme X2 can be better when compared with other competitive phones. And other advantage is that Wi-Fi tethering feature. So this is the first time I used in the Realme X device, and before this one I would never thought any idea about this, what is Wi-Fi tethering. But once I started to use in the Realme X phone, so definitely, friends, I'm trying in all my Realme phones using this kind of feature, Wi-Fi tethering, because right now in my room the Wi-Fi signal will be very poor, but once I started to use the Realme phones, the Wi-Fi signal is very strong. And I have connected my laptop as well even while using this Wi-Fi tethering option. So all my phones and like few other laptops and tablet were connected using this Wi-Fi tethering option. Even the high-end mobiles like OnePlus 7 Pro or Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, they struggle a lot with the Wi-Fi connection, but Realme phones are very good in the Wi-Fi connection. And the third interesting feature which I am interested to do show is that black and white mode, so which is not present currently in the other phones like Redmi phones. So here you can simply switch between black and white mode and normal mode, as you can see here, friends. So which will be very useful if you are reading a lot of ebook readers, or just to save a little bit of battery, or just if you are reading in the night time any stories or anything, you can just use this kind of white and black mode. Even right now, friends, if you are having any Realme phones with you, just try using this black and white mode, which is very good even while scrolling to Facebook or Instagram during the night time without even disturbing side people. You can use this kind of feature, which is very interested, and definitely looking forward to add this kind of feature in the Redmi phones, friends, because this is a feature which is lacking in the Redmi phones. So this can be given just with a software update, but the before first and second option or the hardware which are not like came with the software. So these are the features, friends, 3. And next is that Face ID of the Realme X2 phone is very good. I am pretty happy with the Face ID in the Realme phones. Even with the Realme X, which has a pop-up camera, but still the Face ID is very faster than the other competitive phones. So overall, friends, I just want to give this clarity that I'm pretty happy with the Realme phones from the beginning, and with the latest updates it got better and better. And right now there is a dark mode as well, friends, which is very good, and all the applications are supported with the dark mode. As you can see, friends, even the Amazon Kindle, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, you name the application, friends, every application will be supported with this kind of dark mode. This is one biggest advantage when compared with the other phones dark mode like Redmi Note 8 Pro or Poco X2 device dark mode. So these are so far the best dark mode feature which I found in the Realme X2 device, even in the Realme X phones as well. So these are the overall top 5 which I selected, friends, interesting and most useful features, so which I am using regularly every day to day life. So this is the overall update about the Realme X2 device, friends, and for more videos subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, friends. Bye.